RDDT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Reddit stock's been sitting at $145.87, 7.7% down for the day. Where the heck are we heading next? More so before I show you the charts, I'm gonna just step away, look at the weekly chart. Yeah, this is definitely like a rocket. Like I love that. Like in a matter of since July till right now, we've gone up like 192%, which is good stuff. And I'll just come here. Where are my drawings? Oh, lower, yeah. I mean, my last prediction was correct, but at the time we were trading at 80 bucks. Now we're 145. Even in terms of this, I'm still looking forward to buying, but as long as there's like a pullback inside my demand area or something like that. Anything else actually is going to be complete noise. So that's how RDDT looks like for me. If the rules are met, then I'll buy. If not, then it is what it is, you know. So all I'm doing is I'm just waiting. If you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.